So here's a new vent that I installed. So we're going to go ahead and apply the Dicor self-leveling sealant. Put a little bit more right there. The stuff looks really thick right now, but it levels out pretty good and flattens itself quite a bit. Back here to the first side, you can see how it started to level itself out already. Let's move over here and do the last side. It does kind of flatten itself out quite a bit, so it's not a bad idea to come back after this stuff is cured and check it out and look it over and see if you need to apply some more. And after you stop squeezing the gun, it tends to kind of still ooze out a little bit. So you might want to stop squeezing a little bit before you're coming to the end of where you're going to stop. And I probably got a little bit too much right there, but that'll be fine. And we're going to go ahead and do the TV antenna. I have a few areas on this skylight that concern me. Right there and right there. I already peeled that back a little bit, and then right there. So we're going to take a little metal putty knife and scrape that back and then apply some fresh sealant along there.